Annie?
Can you say hi, Nanny? Oh, that's nice.
Very nice. Can you say hi, Emily?
Can you say hi, Emily?
You say hi?
Say hi.
You can do it.
Why are you camera shy?
You're being camera shy. Can you say hi, Emily? Say hi. Yeah. Can you say hi to Evan?
Yes, that's good.
Say hi.
Say
Can
hi.
you dance? Can you go bum ba dum ba dum? Bum ba dum ba dum. Ready? Can you blow kisses? Go. Mwah.
Oh, that was cute.
Mwah.
Mwah. Hi. Yes, that's right. That's hello.
Just saying hi to everybody. That was very nice.
You want to say hi again?
Can you say Dada?
Dada?
Dada? You like Dada,
Yes.
don't you? Yes, you do. Oh, double highs. Double highs! Yay!
Good job, baby.
Yay! Give Mom a kiss. Give Mom a kiss. Go. Mwah.
Uh-huh. That's hi.
That's hi. Can you say bye-bye?
Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.